Hello everyone, and today we are going to see the one of the important content in Laplace transform, the convolution theorem. So statement is here, and this is the formula. So formula itself, it shows that two different kind of functions will be given, f of t and then g of t. Then use this formula, you have to replace first function t by u. On second function, you have to replace t by t minus u with the integral 0 to t. So first question is here, using convolution theorem, find inverse Laplace transform, which means L inverse of 1 divided by s plus a into s plus b. So this is the formula. So as I said, we just try to split as a two equal fractions. So given functions here, first fraction 1 by s plus a, second fraction 1 by s plus b. So this is the formula, in fact, e power minus at. For L inverse of 1 by s plus b, formula is e power minus bt with convolution symbol. And here it is obvious that f of t is equal to e power minus at, g of t is equal to e power minus bt. So now you can use the formula from convolution, replace t on first function by u. See that? So now you have to replace t on second function by t minus u into du. So range is here 0 to t. So now e power minus bt, e power plus bu. Here you can see that u is the variable, so t is the constant. You can take this e power minus bt outside the integral part. So now the integration begins based on variable u. Integration of e power anything is e power itself by the coefficient of that variable. Here variable is u. The coefficient of u is minus of a minus b. So now the limit substitution in place of u as t. So we'll get e power minus of a minus b into t by negative a minus b minus of lower limit substitution. So lower limit is 0, e0 value is 1. So now we'll get the formula like this. So now this problem is over. Second question, L inverse of s divided by s square plus a square whole square. So split as a equal fractions like this, s by s square plus a square, 1 by s square plus a square. So now you can see that we just make a small arrangement here because we have to use the formula correctly, and so we just multiply by a, divide by a here. So now it will become sin at formula. So now here, so L inverse of s by s square plus a square formula is cos at. You cannot multiply by s and s because s is like a variable, because in Laplace transform L of f of t is equal to f of s. So s is like a variable, so you cannot multiply by a variable, you cannot divide by a variable, whereas a is a constant, and that is the reason why here you have to multiply by a and then divide by a. So now it will become sin at. So now again using the formula, on the first function you have to replace t by u, on the second function you have to replace t by t minus u. So now it is of the form sin a cos b or cos a sin b. You can apply any formula. So the formula substitution, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, the whole divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant, you can take outside the integral part. So now the integration begins. After the simplification here, sin at plus sin a t minus 2u into du. So integration of sin at, u is the variable, so there is no u here, so we'll get u sin at. Here integration of sin a of t minus 2u, we'll get minus cos a of t minus 2u, the whole divided by, the variable is u, the coefficient of variable is 2 here, so we'll get minus 2. A is the common term, and so we'll get minus 2 into a. So limit substitution in place of u as t, you will get sin a t into u plus cos a t minus 2u by 2a. So after applying the limit, we'll get the formula like this. So third question, an important question in convolution theorem, L inverse of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square. So as usual step, split as a equal fraction here. So formula substitution cos at, here cos bt. Now on first function you have to replace t by u, second function you have to replace t by t minus u. If you see that in Laplace transform we used to apply 4 important formulas only in all the contents. Those important formulas are cos AT formula, sin AT formula, e power minus AT formula, e power AT formula. You just remember these 4 formulas. These 4 formulas are important on Laplace transform in any content in Laplace transform. So now, again it is of the form cos A cos B. So before applying the limit, use the formula cos A cos B formula, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Here A equal to AU, B equal to BT minus BU. So A plus B plus A minus B. So now integration begins. Integration of cos will get sin by the variable is u. The coefficient of variable is A minus B is here. The same way here also. So now the limit substitution in place of u as t. Then after applying the limit, we had a small simplification here. So then now after the cancellation, you will get the formula like this. So after taking LCM, a square minus b square. So after the simplification on the numerator, you will get the formula like this: a sin at minus b sin bt by a square minus b square. So now out of class activity design 4. First question: s divided by s square plus a square, s square plus b square. So answer is here. So have a practice on this question. Second question: 1 by s square plus a square the whole square. So answer is here. So to answer above questions, you may have a team discussion. Now the last content, equally important content to convolution theorem, which is differential equation, solution of ODE by using Laplace transformation. You just remember these 3 formulas: L of y dash of t, yes, L of y of t minus y of 0. You just remember this first formula alone. Second formula, third formula was very easy to remember. You just multiply s on first formula. So you will get s square, s y of 0, negative y dash of 0. Now if you want this third formula, you just multiply by s on second formula. So you will get s cube L of y of t, s square y of 0 minus s y dash of 0 minus of, add this term y double dash of 0. If you want y power 4t, you just multiply by s on third formula, then add the term y triple dash of 0. So first question, using Laplace transform y double dash minus 3y dash minus 2y equal to e power minus t. Initial conditions also given, boundary conditions is also given. So first step will be multiply by L on both sides, taking Laplace transform on both sides. So we'll get the formula like this. So L of y double dash of t, use this formula, s square of L of y of t minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus 3 is a constant, L of y dash of t. So use this formula plus 2 into L of y of t has been written, RHS L of e power minus t. E power minus means formula will be plus 1 by s plus 1. So now use this boundary condition in place of y of 0 as 1, in place of y dash of 0 as 0. You can see that boundary condition substitution, then we'll get the formula like this. So now the simplification begins by taking L of y of t as a common term. So we'll get s square minus 3s is here plus 2 is here. So remaining terms are minus s and then 3. Just take these 2 terms on the other side. So it will become plus s minus 3. So taking cross multiplication, we'll get the formula like this on the RHS part. So now L of y of t should be equal to s square minus 2s minus 2 the whole divided by s plus 1, s minus 1, s minus 2. So using partial fractional method and elementary mathematics hereafter, find the unknowns a, b, c. It's very simple. You just take s equal to 1 and s equal to 2 and s equal to minus 1. So you will get the values a, b, c. So after that, so obviously have a substitution a, b, c on this equation. So we'll get the format like this. You can see that. So final step, taking inverse Laplace transform on both sides, which means we just take this L on the other side. So it will become L inverse of 1 by s plus 1, L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 plus L inverse of 1 by s minus 2. So use the formula. S plus 1 means formula will be minus 1 means formula will be plus, minus means formula will be plus. So now this problem is over. Second question, d square y by dt square plus 4y equal to sine 2t. So boundary conditions are given. We just rearrange the given ODE as y double dash of t plus 4y of t is equal to sine 2t. So taking Laplace transform on both sides, we'll get the formula like this. So I can use the formula for this second derivative, formula substitution, plus 4 is a constant, L of y of t has been retained. Sin 2t, L of sin 2t formula is a by s square plus a square. So now boundary condition substitution. So after the substitution, as usual step, you just pick L of y of t as a common term. So we'll get s square plus 4 of L of y of t. On the other side, the remaining terms are here. So again, the next step is L of y of t is equal to 2 divided by, you just take s square plus 4 on the other side, it will become the whole square format, plus 3s by s square plus 4 plus 4 by s square plus 4. So taking inverse Laplace transform now, we just take this L on the other side to get the solution. So now the next step, to apply the Laplace formula, you just make this fraction as proper. So now you can see that this fraction is proper because we are having the formula. This fraction is also proper, but for this fraction we don't have a formula. We just have a simplification here, which means multiply by 8, divide by 8 and add a square, separate a square. You can see that a square minus a square, adding a square, separating a square. So now your next step, 2 by 8 will become 1 by 4. S square plus 4 by s square plus 4 the whole square means you will get 1 by s square plus 4 minus, this minus is here, this 1 by 4 is here, L inverse is here, s square minus 4 by s square plus 4 the whole square is here. Split this fraction as two equal fractions, simple. So now you can see that you can apply, you can multiply by 2, divide by 2. Still you can make it proper. So we'll get 1 by 8 into 2. So now this is of the form sin 2t, a by s square plus a square minus 1 by 4. For this the formula is here, t cos of 2t plus these two functions has been retained. So final step, simplification. So we'll get the formula like this. So now out of class activity design 5. First question, d square plus 5d plus 6. Solve this ODE by using this boundary condition. Second question, d square y by dx square minus 2 times dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. So boundary conditions are given. So use those three formulas. To answer above questions, you may have a team discussion. And thanks for watching the video.